Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Ugogo Skhotheni and Usain Butchi, are they beefing or what? Because now I'm confused, I'm confused. I watched a video on Gogo Skhotheni's podcast where she invited Usain. They had a conversation, they were doing great, they were like besties, And manje, I see Ugogo Skhotheni bashing Usain Butchi, and I'm like, what happened? Because that interview was last year. So guys, a lot can happen in 12 months. A lot can happen. And that interview on Gogo Skhotheni's channel got like 1.2 million viewers. So Usain really did bring the numbers in that episode. People watched, they were vibing. She was even complimenting her. She couldn't stop complimenting Usain Butchi. She also told Usain Butchi, people like to say mina nawe siyafana. Do you think siyafana na? And then Usain Butchi also, I think she agreed with her or something like that. I can't remember. But yeah, she agreed or she just laughed or something like that. And then now Ugogo Skhotheni is bashing Usain, and I'm like, how? Guys, please watch this video.
Ke le tshwaretse ngwanana wa go fitla, ngwanana wa ka Jeno, the one and only Usain Butchi darling.
The fitliest girl. Thank you, Gogo.
Babe, how are you?
I'm surviving. I'm living.
Mona, you look more prettier in person than on social media.
Thank you so much.
Are you even normal, yeah? Say no man.
Okay, guys, that makes the both of us, because everyone keeps
Why
saying,
do they say we look alike?
You know what? But don't you see it?
I do at times. I'm like, yo, this is me, wait.
Yeah, especially your daughter. Also, when I see him, like, how?
Wait, nah.
No, something is off.
I think I should ask my dad or your dad or your mom.
We must just have a meeting and let them know that we want honesty.
But so who's Usain Butchi? Is Usain your name? Your real name? Where did you get that name?
Cyan is actually my favorite color. So it's a synonym for blue. So I love blue. I'm obsessed. I love your couches.
Thank you, darling. Oh, yes.
But anyways, Cyan is my favorite color. And then Butchi it was around those times when the Migos had Bad and Bougie songs. So I just combined them together, and then Cyan Butchi.
So Usain Butchi originally, Utokukai. Where do you come from?
Okay, so I was born in Mamelodi, PTA.
So ngwana ko Pitori.
From the hood, from the ghetto. So I'll always carry my ghetto with.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm from PTA. I was born in PTA. I was raised in PTA. So yeah.
Besides everything, besides social media, besides everything that we've ever seen on social media, you as Usain Butchi, when to just start being an influencer? Mm-hmm. When to just start saying, now I'm a person with social media?
Yeah, it's going down. Okay, so before it was Honor. And then Honor was a school girl, a very sweet girl. A girl that... what can I say? Like, I started a makeup business.
Okay.
So I was in grade 12, and then I was just doing it on the side, like beauty aesthetic, and I would do like YouTube videos, like just to make tutorials.
Do you see Uguti Begam complimenta kanjani? And she was like, she couldn't stop raving about her throughout the whole episode, okay? But now she posted this video on TikTok, and then someone tagged Usain Butchi, and also someone said Uguti, she looks like Usain Butchi, and a lot of people were saying Uguti, they thought it was Usain Butchi and it's Gogo Skhotheni. And guys, Nami, I would think this is Usain Butchi, especially with the new body. Like, you can't tell Uguti it's Gogo Skhotheni, but they do look alike in the face. So people were taking Usain Butchi, and she didn't respond. And then someone said, I thought it's Cyan. And then Gogo Skhotheni commented and said, this means I must go and fetch my money in Turkey, because clearly they did need it. Now she is bashing Usain Butchi's BBL. And then I'm confused ukuthi how wena, not so long ago you guys were laughing and tontoni, come back phela and update us ukuthi no guys, manje we are beefing, we are no longer laughing together. How?